Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Detailed SEO Extension. This powerful tool offers a comprehensive overview of any web page's SEO elements, helping you quickly identify critical on-page and technical factors. To begin, simply navigate to any web page you wish to analyze. Then, click on the extension icon in your browser toolbar. You will instantly see a dashboard with key information, allowing for immediate insights into the page's optimization status. Once the extension is open, you can dive into on-page SEO analysis. The General tab displays the page's meta title, meta description, and canonical URL, ensuring they are correctly implemented. Navigate to the Headings tab to see all heading tags, from H1 to H6, providing a clear outline of the page's content structure. The Images tab allows you to verify alt attributes for every image, crucial for both accessibility and search engine understanding. Beyond on-page elements, the extension assists with technical SEO. The Other tab reveals important technical details such as robots meta tags, xrobots tag headers, and the presence of a canonical tag. Switch to the Links tab to analyze all internal and external links on the page, including their anchor text, and whether they are follow or nofollow. This helps you understand the page's link profile and identify potential issues. To maximize your use of this extension, consider these advanced tips. You can export all the detailed SEO data into a convenient CSV file for deeper analysis or client reporting. Leverage the tool for competitive analysis by quickly checking your rivals' pages to understand their optimization strategies. Remember to conduct regular SEO audits, using the extension to ensure your website maintains optimal performance and stays ahead in search rankings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.